So having this really interesting conversation today with a super experienced sales trainer called Curtis, otherwise known as Vitamin C. And he, in passing, we were swapping stories and different things, and he mentioned an author in a book that I hadn't heard of, Dennis Waitley, The Psychology of Winning, and Seeds of Success. I went to YouTube and I found this audio book read by Dennis, I think. And what I'm going to show and showcase for you is what I love to do now, to dive into the content, find out what it's about really quickly, and get to some of the good stuff straight away. So I'm going to click on the Summarise button. I am a subscriber to a product called, or a ChatGPT called Max AI, and Max AI connects with actually a number of the different GPTs, including ChatGPT. Anyway, you don't need to worry about anything about that. You just install it as a plugin. You can install it for free to do a bunch of writing things, but to do the YouTube summary, it's a paid service, $20 or something. And I'll leave a link to that in the comments. But just check this out. So I'm going to click the Summarise button. I just did this a couple of seconds ago. So it's made a timestamp summary. When I did it live, it took a few seconds to put that together. But now I'm going to show you the next thing I'm going to do, which is to say, please make me a detailed table of contents. Click. And Max is now making me a detailed table of contents, and I can, as you'll see, it references the different places in the video. You can use Max to interrogate PDF documents and other things, and we'll do similar sorts of summaries. So this is positive self-control. I might edit this a little bit, and in the table of content, can you also put the relevant chapter headings from the book if that's in the video? Let's see what it says. Okay, so it doesn't have that detail. That's okay. Right, well, let's pick something. 10 winning keys to 21st century success. Let's see. Become a proactive innovator. Please summarize. Oh, I can't spell for type for to save myself. Please summarize the become a proactive innovator topic. Please draw a key quotation from the speaker that captures the essence of proactive innovator or its importance. Something like that. Sorry, I'm reading as I'm typing. Okay, so that's kind of cool. Now, imagine that I'd already consumed this content some time ago, and I was thinking, oh gosh, I want to find that. It's a 2-hour long video. He talks about something about practicing self-talk, or the impact of words on and thoughts on body function. So imagine I recall that, but I just don't know where it is in this video. So in the video, there is a discussion about the impact of thoughts on our physical self. I'm deliberately not using bodies. Can you please find references to that? And I'm deliberately typing things badly because it doesn't matter. Okay. So the purpose of this was to find that key piece of information. And I was looking at the summary. Where was I looking? Just a bit up. 4317. Let's see what it found for me. 4317. But I also found a couple of other references. And so it's kind of drawn it together for me. Now, this is 6 minutes video. But if you're doing some kind of training, you're catching up on a Zoom call where, it's classic people doing webinars and training, and you want to just jump over all the fluff and get to the meat, get to the summary. Oops, it's a summary of PDF, summarize contents here. You can get a sort of a high-level summary, which is what I've just clicked on, and I like to do a table of contents, and then here you've got a timestamp summary. Look at that, key takeaways. So I find this really, really helpful. It allows me to consume this content really efficiently. But one of the things I most like about it is the ability to go back to something I recall and find it really quickly. And you'd have to scan the transcript. You can copy and paste that into ChatGPT or something, but or other tool to search the text. But I just think this is a cool tool, and I will give you a link to download it. You can use it for free. That won't give you the summarizing of the YouTube videos. That's the paid service. But I think it's super worth it. It's a handy tool. I'm subscribing to ChatGPT as well. But I think if you give this a try with the YouTube videos, it's just saving me so much time. It's massively worth it. And we're just getting started. All right. I hope you enjoyed that. It's cut it there.